Well, we have the Traxxas 6x6 here. As you can see, the front end is, well, gutted. That's because the differentials and whatnot were locking up because I've ran this thing through water and a bunch of other stuff, and well, now they're stuck on. So we're gonna do a full bottom end rebuild, taking all the differentials apart, giving them new fluids, new grease. I got some marine grease here, and Team JB Hobbies, they finally were able to get a full bearing kit for the 6x6, just the 6x6. I kind of got the front end tore apart just to kind of familiarize myself with it. I'm gonna kind of walk you through how to do the back ones. The front one is the exact same. The only difference really is that it's got this like weird little thing that basically allows it to steer. Anyway, let's move on. That's a lot of bearings. Guide this guy in. Alrighty. Essentially, with the back differentials and the front differentials, it doesn't really change much from what I can tell. The only thing that's different is that the portal axles are mounted differently because, well, these axles aren't steer axles, they're drive axles. As far as I can see, just visually looking at it here, middle axle will be different because there is no cover. It goes to the next drive shaft. Okay, so as I'm working on this, getting this back together, as you saw, the servo completely died on me. Basically, when a servo dies, well, its gears die anyway, it just starts spinning constantly, just running and running because it has no resistance. So I am going to take both servos out, do the rear differentials, get this area gutted, and go to the hobby shop and get some replacement metal geared servos, which will last forever. See you when I get the servos, I guess. Alrighty, so after a few days, we have the part. Here's part number 2065R. Direct metal gear replacement for the little servos that do the diff lockers. One of these is broken, one of them is fine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this metal gear servo, hook it up to the back lockers here because there's two of them which has more strain, even though I broke the front one. I'll take one of the good ones, whichever of these it is, and put it on the front. Let's get this thing out of its package and let's get rolling here. Yeah, real quick, plug one of these in real quick. I think that's it. Hello! I think this is the bed servo. But just be sure. Plug the other one in here and see what it does. That's the bad one. Okay, so I figured out which one it is. Let's put it in there and see if I break it. That sounds a lot smoother. Okay, so through trial and error and not many YouTube videos actually, I was able to figure it out. So right now it is in the full unlock position. We have full diff movement, all front and rear. Rear is locked. Front is open. Front is now locked. The truck is ready to conquer anything. I need to fix that snapping problem though. I do not like that. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Have a nice day. That sounded really cheesy.